Indian Sean Penn, a perfectionist, started with Kayamat Se Kayamat Tak and latest Three Idiots. Most versatile actor in film industry now, whatever he touches turns gold.
बड़ा नाम करेगा बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा मगर ये तो कोई न जाने ये मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा
Salman Khan, the bad guy of the industry, walking into trouble all the time, but a macho hunk, biggest and sexiest playboy, made Munni badnaam. Actually, he made a lot of girls badnaam. Govinda, one of the best dancers in Bollywood, who can dance just by facial expressions only. Voted number 10 in BBC News of greatest stars in the last 1,000 years. Aishwarya Rai, most beautiful woman in the world, claimed by Oprah. Now married to the prestigious Bachchan family. Madhuri Dixit, the lady with the Mona Lisa smile that makes a guy go dil dhak dhak karne laga whenever she's on screen. Guinness Book Millennium version voted best actress ever. Karishma Kapoor, the first daughter in the Kapoor family that went against the family's wishes and dared to act in movies. And apparently she did very well. Shah Rukh Khan, the King Khan, Badshah, Tom Cruise of India, started in TV and became superstar of the millennium. He has won 13 Filmfare Awards, the maximum awards. Kajol, one of the best actresses, known for her naughty, bubbly personality, best paired with Shah Rukh. Preeti Zinta, refreshing, cool, dimpled smile, scintillating, a very natural actress. Saif Ali Khan, son of Sharmila Tagore and Pataudi Nawab, has his mother's dimpled smile. Hindi megastar, best works were Parinita, Omkara and Humtum. Rani Mukherjee, who starred in Black and touched everyone's heart. The husky voice, Royal Bengal Tigress. Rani Mukherjee also won 6 Filmfare Awards, highest in Indian actresses for awards ever. Akshay Kumar, From a waiter in Bangkok to a superstar. Gave 4 super hit movies in 1 year. Sexy, charming, trained in martial arts, लाखों लड़कियों की दिलों की धड़कन.
कर लो जितना बेकरार हूँ मैं खुद को बेकरार कर लो मेरी धड़कनों को समझो तुम भी मुझसे प्यार कर लो
Bipasha Basu, the Biri Jalila girl, set hearts on fire. Another Bengali tigress that swept Bollywood and stole the most gorgeous guy, John Abraham. Priyanka Chopra, former Miss World 2000, known for her beautiful smile, the Pardesi girl. John Abraham, the Hollywood hunk, made the concept of gay acceptable in India after Dostana. Best body in Bollywood. Hrithik Roshan, handsome, sexy, best dancer, and proved that he's a superb actor too. Shahid Kapoor. Ooh, yes. The Hollywood heartthrob with the sweetest smile and the sexiest dance moves. He's doing very well right now.
ये जहां तुम ही हो वो जहां तुम ही हो इस ज़मीं से फलक के दरमियां तुम ही हो बेशुबा तुम ही हो मुझ में हो तुम ही हो
Kareena Kapoor, the most highly paid actress right now, who made size 0 waist popular. Most popular actress in the Kapoor Khandan, but she changes husbands every 3 months. Imran Hashmi, the serial kisser, playboy image, oozing sex appeal. Just look at those seductive eyes he has.
जिसकी खातिर मैं था जगा सा आ तू मेरे ख्वाब सजा जा रे दिल में आए नाही तू आजा मेरे माही दिल में आए नाही तू आजा मेरे माही तू आजा मेरे माही दिल में आए नाही
Ranbir Kapoor, son of Rishi Kapoor and Neetu Singh, swept Bollywood overnight. Everyone wants to marry him. Acted and excelled above par in Rajniti, besides some of the biggest stars of the industry. I thought he was fabulous. Katrina Kaif, most beautiful Bollywood actress now. Couldn't speak Hindi at first, but now is one of the top stars. She said once in a show that I am here to stay, and she did. Deepika Padukone, Om Shanti Om girl. Shah Rukh gave her the spotlight. She is a perfect combination of beauty and talent.
चाहे जिसे दूर से दुनिया वो मेरे करीब है कितना कुछ कहना है फिर भी है दिल में सवाल कहीं सपनों में जो रोज कहा है वो फिर से कहूँ या नहीं
Imran Khan, nephew of Amir Khan. Pappu can't dance Sala, neither can he act. But hey, he is Imran Khan's relative. Cute, shy, romantic image. Pappu can't dance Sala. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.